Mebusia for me chat you be a sambo bibi akwa di ba in kasa TV in kasa kase eboso na edu sisi na awerehosɛm aba anaasɛ awerehosɛm ato NDC for anya asɛm pitwa na Okudzeto abrakwa de nsɛm bi aba abɛto abɔnten a ɔsɛ ma ɔkasa no wayɛ too emotional na deɛ bɛnti na no wayɛ emotional wayɛ too emotional fa Gyakye Quayson ne criminal case no ho na ɔkyerɛ sɛ Gyakye Quayson case no ɛyɛ criminal case a kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa na ɔde nsɛm bebree to dwa fa Gyakye Quayson ne case no ho a sisi de ɛyɛ ayɛ emu yɛ ayɛ den paa yɛ ama NDC for ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa ne ekɔ akotie Okudzeto abrakwa anim asɛm ɔde to abɔnten fa Gyakye Quayson court case no na ɛnɛ day di kan ɔtie nkasa TV memory nso ɔbɛ subscribe to our channel ɔbɛ like na ɔdo adwene kyerɛ so comment section kama me do obi bi ase.
The Supreme Court, the President, the Attorney General told clearly that he is the one they love, he is the one they want to represent them. These people are still defying the will of the people, subverting the will of the people, and engage in this sham prosecution. A prosecution where the president goes on stage and says that, why do you want to vote for somebody who is going to jail? Do you want him to represent you from prison? I mean, very prejudicial statements. And let me commend the luminary, Gyakye Quayson, for bringing a special application before the courts on these prejudicial statements of the president. So look at what Honorable James Gyakye Quayson is going through. That he has made false statutory declarations. He has misled public officers. So he should be jailed. And the president actually had the courage to tell the people of Asinov, for that matter, the Ghanaian people, that Gyakye Quayson is going to jail. What does he know that we don't know? And Gyakye Quayson is being tried on a daily basis. Between the Honorable Gyakye Quayson and Victor Kusi Boateng Kwabena Edu-Gyamfi, whatever the real name is, whatever the real date of birth is, whoever the real mother is, whatever the real thing is, who should be standing trial? Who should be going to court on a daily basis? Who should be prosecuted? And who should be going to jail? So how can the president be protecting this appointee of his? How can the vice president, who chairs the police council and who was at the birthday party of this chap, be clearly instructing the police not to act on various criminal petitions and complaints that have been brought to them, shielding this guy? Is actively involved in his campaign, raising funds for him and all of that. And then this is what they are doing to Honorable Quayson.
You're suggesting that Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng is raising funds for?
Oh yes,
for the vice president.
Yes. He attends their meetings in Kumasi and all of that. I have the evidence. Don't worry. The coming days, I have given them a week. If within a week there is no dismissal, or he doesn't resign and criminal prosecutions do not begin, the coming days, the week after this week, will be exceedingly interesting. You know that I'm not one to give up or one to, get tired when you think that you mount roadblocks. You know that. I mean, remember what we did with the presidential chartered travels when he thought that he could keep going at it and ignoring us, and even try to meet me there, deceiving us that he was flying commercial only to get the chartered jet, 20,000 euros an hour to meet him in transit. We exposed all of that. Eventually, he had to stop. At least the last 5 flights I have tracked, he appears to be born again, which is good. Some have said it's because Ghana is broke, but whichever way, at least that is good. And we didn't give up. That's what matters. And I can assure you, We are not going to give up on this matter. Look, you cannot be persecuting the Honorable Gyakye Quayson. And when a high court, I mean, this is not some magistrate court, some small district tribunal. The high court, the human rights court, has pronounced that double identity is proven. These are matters bordering on criminality. I mean, a judge cannot be more emphatic beyond these words. Very, very damning. And you say that is Honorable Quayson that you are interested in, that you are fixated on. And this Victor Okudzeto, you have left him off the hook. They must be joking. They don't know what is coming.
So there's more.
Absolutely more.
In fact, I'm even surprised that you are even saying that he's engaged in soliciting for fund.
Yes.
Being in meetings.
Exactly.
With regards to the vice
president's campaign.
Basically the establishment candidate.
Yes, and he's
has the backing of the president.
Yes, and he's an active member of that campaign.
Really?
Yes.
After everything that you've put